So our topic is ethical leadership and social responsibility. Ethical leadership and social responsibility are foundational to effective executive leadership in supervisory development, particularly in organizations entrusted with public interest and institutional authority. Ethical leadership emphasizes values such as integrity, fairness, accountability, and transparency, guiding leaders to make decisions that are not only effective but morally sound. For executive and supervisors, ethical conduct set the tone for organizational culture and directly influences trust, credibility, and long-term performance. In complex organizational environments, ethical leadership provides a stable compass for navigating difficult decisions and competing priorities. Social responsibility extends ethical leadership beyond internal operations to include the broader impact of leadership decision on stakeholders, communities, and society. Executive leaders and supervisors are increasingly expected to balance organizational objectives with social, environmental, and ethical consideration. In leadership development, this perspective reinforces the idea that authority carries responsibility and that sustainable access depends on aligning institutional goals with public good. Ethical leadership and social responsibility together strengthen governance, reinforce accountability, and promote inclusive and values-driven leadership. At this point, I would like to give the floor to our presenter. Go ahead, Sir Naga.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I'll be exploring ethical leadership and social responsibility. This topic is crucial for leaders who aim not only to achieve organizational success but also create a positive impact on society and environment. Course intended learning outcomes. Understanding the principles of ethical leadership such as integrity, fairness, and accountability. Explore ethical decision-making framework and how leaders resolve ethical dilemmas. Analyze the impact of socially responsible practices on stakeholders and sustainability. By the end of this session, you should be able to understand the principles of ethical leadership, including integrity, fairness, and accountability, and how they contribute organizational success. Explore the ethical decision-making frameworks and strategies for resolving dilemmas in leadership and roles. Analyze the impact of socially responsible practices on stakeholders and learn to implement sustainable initiative within the organizations. Introduction. Ethical leadership and social responsibility are essential for sustainable organizations. Ethical leadership promotes trust, integrity, and accountability. Social responsibility focuses on positive impact on society and environment. Effective and sustainable organizations rely heavily on ethical leadership and social responsibility. Ethical leadership involves honesty, fairness, and integrity, and accountability, guiding leaders to make morally sound decisions. Social responsibility, on the other hand, ensures that business considers the important impact of their actions on employees. Customers and communities and environment. Together, these principles build trust, strengthen reputation, and foster long-term success. Ethical leadership involves honesty, fairness, integrity, and accountability, guides leaders in making morally sound decisions, build trust and credibility within the organization, serve as a moral compass in complex situations. Ethical leadership is about more than following rules. It's about setting the examples, demonstrating honesty, fairness, integrity, and accountability. Ethical leadership acts as a moral compasses, guiding their teams through complex decision building, trust, and reinforcing organizational credibility. Social responsibility acknowledges the organization's impact on its stakeholders, focuses on employees, customers, communities, and environment. encourages sustainable and ethical business practices, enhance organizational reputation and stakeholders. Social responsibility focuses on positive impact organizations can have on society. This includes sustainable practices, community engagements, and ethical operations. Organizations that prioritize social responsibility enhance their reputation and foster trusting among stakeholders. Relationship of ethical leadership and social responsibility. Ethical leaderships prioritize stakeholders' welfare and decision balance, organizational goals, and societal needs. Leaders act as role models for ethical behavior, creates a culture of trust, respect, and integrity. Relationship with ethical leadership and social responsibility. Ethical leadership and social responsibility are deeply connected. It Ethical leaders prioritize stakeholders' welfare and balance organizations' goals with social needs by modeling ethical behavior. They foster a culture of trust, respect, integrity within the organization. Corporate social responsibility (CSR). CSR stands for the corporate social responsibility, practice of ethical business for the benefit of society, goes beyond profit and making and legal compliance, promotes positive and social environmental impacts. Corporate social responsibility is about practicing ethical business for benefits of society. It goes beyond profit making and legal compliance, focusing on social and environmental impact. CHR reflects the value of a company, demonstrates its commitment to society. Ethics in CHR leadership. CHR is founded on ethical leadership. Core values include fairness, honesty, and integrity. Cultural acknowledgement and acceptance are essential. Leaders must model ethical behavior of all types. CHR is founded on ethical leadership. Core values like fairness and honesty and guidance decision. Ethical leaders act as role models and cultivate a social responsibility culture throughout the organization. This includes responsibility, diversity, acknowledging cultural differences, ensuring behavior of all levels. Promoting Promoting CHR in organization. Leaders must demonstrate a commitment to CHR. Transparent communication with employees and stakeholders. CHR should be integrated into company strategy. Collaboration across departments strengthen CHR skills. Impact for employees and customers and community. Corporate governance, system of rules and process directing the organization, ensures ethical integrity in policies and actions, promotes accountability behind profits, protects stakeholders and organizational reputations. Corporate governance is the system of rules and practices that directs an organization. It ensures integrity, promotes accountability, and protects stakeholders. Governance goes beyond profit. It safeguards the organization's reputations and ensures responsible operations. Engaging stakeholders. Stakeholders include employees, customers, community, and investors. Engagement requires transparency and consistency. Encourages feedback through reports, policies, and communication channels. All levels of management must participate. Stakeholders include employees, customers, communities, and investors. Effective engagement requires transparency, consistent communication, and opportunity for feedback. Every level of management, from frontline staff to executive, plays a role in fostering and stakeholder trust. Leadership versus management management. Managers oversee tasks and operations. Leaders inspire, motivate, and guide ethical behavior. Not all managers are effective leaders. Ethical leadership strengthens organizational culture. Managers oversees and tasks and operations, but leaders inspire motivation. Not all managers are effective leaders. Ethical leadership strengthens culture, encourages responsibility behavior, and aligns teams with organizational value. Risk management in ethical leadership protects reputation and financial stability, prevents legal and ethical violations, encourages responsibility, accounting, and compliance, reduces long-term organizational risk. Ethical leaders actively manage risk. This protects the organization's reputation, ensures legal compliance, and encourages responsibility practices. By addressing risk productivity, leaders prevent ethical and financial issues and maintain long-term stability. Benefits of ethical leadership and CHR improves organizational reputation, tractions, retention of talented employees, encourages innovations, increases stakeholders' trust and engagement. Prioritizing ethics and CHR brings tangible benefits, improved reputation and traction retention of talent, innovation, risk mitigation, and stronger stakeholder engagement. Practices create value for both organization and society. 7 characteristics of good corporate governance: clear organizational strategy, effective risk mitigation, discipline and commitment, fairness, of employees, and good corporate social responsibility, periodic self-assessment. This element ensures ethical accountability and sustainable operations. Stakeholders beyond shareholders. Customers provide revenue, loyalty, and communities provide support and locations. Employees contributes skills, productivity, suppliers ensures operational continuity, government regulates business and operation. Organizations have a responsibility beyond shareholders. Customers provide revenue, communities offer support, employees contribute skills. Suppliers maintain operations, and government regulate businesses. Ethical leaders consider all stakeholders in their decisions. Human resource conducts are resource fairness and ethical treatment of employees, uphold employees' laws and policies, maintain confidentiality and integrity, promotes professional development and accountability. HR plays a key role in ensuring fairness and compliance and ethical treatment of employees. This includes upholding laws, maintaining confidentiality, promoting professional development, and ensuring equal treatment for all. Ethical issues in the public relations. PR practitioner must uphold honesty and accuracy, avoid misleading or manipulating informations, provide proper context for public communications, guide executive towards ethical decisions. Both organizations and reputation and public interest. Advantages of ethical behavior in business: build customers' loyalty, enhance company reputation, retains skills and motivated employees, creates a positive and ethical environment. Ethical behaviors builds customers' loyalty, enhance company reputation, and retains talented employees and fosters a positive work environment. Acting ethically is not just moral right, it is also as makes sound business sense. Ethical decision makings in leadership decisions must reflect on honesty and integrity. Transparency builds trust and accountability. Fairness ensures equal treatment of stakeholders. Leaders must consider long-term societal impact. Ethical decision reflects honesty, integrity, and fairness and transparency. Leaders must consider long-term societal impact and ensure stakeholders are treated equally. Ethical decision making strengthens credibility and organizational trust. Sustainable leadership and CSR. Integrated social, environmental, and economics goals promotes environmental sustainability, encourages ethical business practices, strengthens stakeholders' relationship. CSR, sustainable leadership, integrated social, environment, and economic goals. CSR initiatives go beyond compliance to promote environmental protection, ethical practices, and stakeholders' well-being. Together, they create value for current and future generations. Building trust, integrity, and in leadership, consistency between words and actions, open and transparent communications, empathy and respect for team members, accountability, and ethical responsibility. Trust and integrity are built through consistency, transparency, empathy, and accountability. Ethical behavior, leaders who model those values inspires teams, strengthens organizational culture, and foster long-term relationship with stakeholders. Conclusion, ethical leadership promotes long-term organizational success. CHR strengthens trust and social impact. Leaders play a vital role in sustainability, ethical practices, benefit of both organization and society. In summary, ethical leadership and CSR are essential for organizational success and social impact. Leaders who prioritize ethics and social responsibility and sustainable build trust, enhance reputations, and create lasting value for both their organization and society. That's all, sir. End of my report. Thank you. Good afternoon.
Okay, so thank you so much. Uh, the presentation underscored that ethical leadership at the executive level begins with values-based decision making. Executives are expected to consistently align policies, strategies, and actions with core ethical principles, even under pressure or uncertainty. And this consistency strengthens institutional credibility and provides clear guidance for supervisor and staff. Ethical executives serve as role models now whose behavior shape organizational norms and expectation. Another advanced insights highlights the role of supervisors in translating ethical leadership into daily practice. While executive define ethical standards and strategic direction, supervisor operationalize these values through fair treatment, transparent communication, and responsible supervision. So the discussion emphasizes that ethical leadership is reinforced through systems such as clear codes of conduct, accountability mechanism, and ethical training. When supervisors are empowered to uphold ethical standards, ethical leadership becomes embedded across the organization. So, the presentation emphasizes social responsibility as a strategic leadership functions rather than a peripheral obligation. Executive and supervisory leaders must assess the broad social impact of their decisions, including effects on employees, communities, and public trust. Integrating social responsibility into leadership development promotes sustainable decision-making and institutional resilience. So, ethical leadership and social responsibility equip executives and supervisors to lead with integrity, foster trust, and achieve long-term organizational effectiveness. Okay?